Meet the incredible brown bear, one of nature's most fascinating and powerful creatures. Brown bears are found across the northern hemisphere, from the dense forests of North America to the rugged wilderness of Europe and Asia. These bears are excellent hunters and skilled fishers. Their diet varies depending on the season, from berries and plants to fish and small mammals. Did you know? Brown bears can weigh up to 1,500 pounds and stand over 7 feet tall on their hind legs. Despite their size, they're surprisingly fast, reaching speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Brown bears are also loving parents. Mother bears fiercely protect their cubs, teaching them essential survival skills during their first 2 years of life. In colder climates, brown bears hibernate for up to 7 months. During this time, they survive on stored body fat and enter a deep sleep to conserve energy. Brown bears are a symbol of strength and resilience in the animal kingdom. Let's work together to protect these magnificent creatures and the wild places they call home. If you enjoyed learning about brown bears, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more wildlife wonders.